This taping procedure is used for the AC joint. It's a helpful taping procedure, but isn't going to be a corrective for every kind of injury that you might possibly sustain to the AC joint, namely because due to the severity, it's just not going to support. But basically what we're attempting to do is recreate what those ligaments are in the pictures in either the grade 2 or 3, or even the grade 1 where they're a little bit stretched and over worked to help keep that collarbone, the clavicle, down to the acromion and help support there. And sometimes just having that tension down can make a huge difference in how they feel. For the actual taping procedure, we're going to use pro strips as a buffering between the skin and the P-tape that we'll actually end up using, just due to the adhesiveness and the tackiness of it all. That P-tape can be really irritating to the skin, so we like to use the pro strips to help take some of that off. It gives us a better stick to a bigger coverage area with the pro strips compared to that. So I did one going from anterior to posterior, and then we're going medial to lateral, going over the AC joint. With that, no real tension on this. You want them to lay flat. You could add a little tension over the AC joint just to make sure that they feel okay for this third strip, and you could potentially do a fourth strip. It's really up to you and what is working best for your patient and what seems to be getting you the best results in terms of controlling the motion of that clavicle. So after you get those down, we'll then go to our P-tape strips, which we will go and cut to length. Easy to do ahead of time, and then we're actually going to place that right over the AC joint, trying to again bring that clavicle down, and then have that be our biggest point of tension, and then keeping it equal, applying to the anterior and the posterior, and then for that second strip from the medial to lateral. And then again for this third strip, we want most of that tension coming directly down over it. That is something that can be customized. It may work a little bit, as you see with that one. I want a little bit more A to P, but it really is up to your athlete. So this is just another view to give you another angle of what it looks like in terms of applying all those things. One thing to note here is with those pro strips, you could potentially round the edges just to stop from any catching or bringing up the edges for a longer lasting application.